when we rolled out our strategy to contain the COVID-19 disease, we placed quarantine measures at the core of our plan. Our plan was informed by the World Health Organization guidelines and global best practices on the need to isolate suspected cases of exposure to the virus. Since we suspended international travels and tracing of contacts, the approach has moved towards controlling community transmission. And we are aware that this issue has generated a lot of debate. We want to make it clear today that contracting coronavirus is not a crime. All of us have a potential risk of contracting the disease. And that is why we have come up with measures and guidelines to ensure that we are all able to control transmission of this disease. Being quarantined is neither a detention nor a punishment. Quarantine is meant to serve the greater public good in ensuring that we protect our country. We therefore must urge you, fellow Kenyans, to join us in ensuring that we do not stigmatize those who are sent to quarantine facilities and even those who have recovered from this disease. As we have always stated, if we continue to work together as one people and one nation, we shall be able to overcome this pandemic. We are glad to note that the travel restrictions and curfew measures, which are part of containment measures, are yielding results. We would like to urge people to continue adhering to these measures. I would also like to appeal to our security personnel and those charged with law enforcement to ensure that we continue to exercise great caution and a high level of understanding when we are engaging with those who are in quarantine facilities. We must work together to ensure that no lives are lost as a result during this pandemic. And this is our wish in terms of protecting our countrymen.